welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about Bitcoin. We've been moving up pretty good, guys. I want to talk about CRO Coin and the overall macroeconomics happening in the world. So right now we are at 7,890 subscribers. When we reach 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, guys. And when we reach 25,000 subscribers, we're giving away this loaded Align NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop in this video. Guys, we are looking pretty darn good right now. We are up we're at 26,636.26 for Bitcoin. Bitcoin dominance 44.39%. It has come down a little bit. The altcoins are getting some love right now. I am looking for the target of 46% for Bitcoin dominance, but it could be a tough call to say when we get there. I think that we could potentially get there sooner than later, but I also wouldn't be surprised if we don't get to Bitcoin dominance in a few months leading into the Bitcoin halving. So, I am looking out for that 46% Bitcoin dominance level for us to have a true altcoin season rally leading into the next bull market. But as of right now, everyone's happy. Bitcoin is increasing in price. We're up a good 40% on the past 2 months. Again, pretty ridiculous. This year has been overall very, very good for Bitcoin. If you bought in on January 1st, if you bought in during January 1st, you basically bought the bottom of the FTX collapse. So, and I don't use the word bottom lightly because I do believe, based on probability and statistics, that the bottom is in. However, will also say that, nobody can tell the future, guys. Any trader or investor that tells you for sure, yes, this will happen without a doubt, and uses the words guarantee, that you should probably look the other way, honestly. It's all about probability and statistics, and I think that there's a high chance that the bottom is in. But guys, we're doing really good. We're getting some good consolidation to the upside right now. We are having bullish continuation, but I want to look at some of these charts. Let's talk about CRO Coin really quick, because CRO Coin right now is definitely lagging behind the rest. And I see you guys, I see the Crow fam in the chat saying, expressing that they're upset because it's lagging behind. But guys, CRO Coin will catch up. Don't worry. Be patient, guys. Be patient. You're getting time to accumulate. And when you see Bitcoin make these huge moves, and CRO Coin hasn't made those huge moves yet, it's honestly a fantastic time to be entering in a position. And that's when I would be entering into some long positions over on BitGet or Binance or even Femex down below. We have links down below where you can sign up, get up to $8,000 sign-up bonus with BitGet. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit, and open some trades, and you get a bunch of free money. Leverage trade your own risk, guys. That's not financial advice, but when I see something like this, when I see these altcoins lagging behind a little bit and Bitcoin's flying, that's usually a great entry point. But, guys, be patient. Be patient. We're trading in this channel still, 5.5 cents to 10 cents. We're going to make our way eventually. I know I've been calling for a while on this channel. I said, we could be trading in this channel for up to a year. We could be trading in this channel until the next Bitcoin halving, guys. But when we do get closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving, don't be surprised when we just wham, break up past fair value, past 16 cents, go straight to 50 cents. Don't be surprised if something like that happens on CRO Coin. CRO Coin seems to be suppressed during bear markets and even during the beginning of bull markets. I've been in CRO Coin since basically its inception, back when Crypto.com had the MCO days, when they had their MCO coin. And before they converted that all to CRO Coin. And a pattern I've noticed is that we really sometimes don't even have a big move until halfway through the bull market. So be prepared for that, guys. Be prepared for that. All in all, great accumulation zone through the 5.5 cents to 10 cents. It's a great opportunity, guys. Not financial advice, just my opinion. But let's look over at Bitcoin a little bit, because I was looking at some of these different time frames. We're looking at the monthly chart for Bitcoin right now, and I wanted to draw something up for you guys because a few months back I was drawing this out from the bottom. I found out the bottom of, I was saying, yeah, if this is the bottom here at 15,500, this is what I think is potentially could happen. And I came back down here in one of my previous videos a couple months ago, and I showed leading into the Bitcoin halving some of this price action. And it's very, very curious, because if we do look at this right here from 2019 up to the new unleveraged all-time high, and we drag that and drop that right here, well, guys, I'll tell you what, call me crazy, but that is awfully similar looking, is it not? Is it not? Look at this. Look at this move. Right now, I said this. There's a good chance that we have a move to the upside leading into the Bitcoin halving and then some consolidation. And I've been saying, I think that this is the year of accumulation. I think that we're going to be trading between 19,500 and maybe even 40,000. I mean, if we were to retest and replicate what history was, that'd be 43,000, about 44,000. But give or take, past events did not predict future events, but they do rhyme, and you can see this rhyme happening in front of your face right now. It's very, very intriguing to see. I do think that we could probably come down like that, come down like this over here in it was September of 2019, and we were leading into the Bitcoin halving. We came down, then we had that pandemic dump right here. I don't necessarily think that's going to happen. That was a true black swan event. I know that word black swan event kind of gets thrown around like it means nothing nowadays, but that was a true black swan event, and maybe something like that could happen, but we don't know because that's a black swan event, guys. We're having banks collapse. I mean, people know that could happen, and that is happening. And we're going to have to really, really pay attention here leading into this next Federal Reserve meeting at the end of this month. I'm very, very curious to see what they do. You might see a volatile move to the upside, or that may be the beginning of a downward trend leading into the Bitcoin halving. But we will get a recovery, guys. You just need to be patient. This is the year of accumulation, in my opinion, guys. Let's look over the S&P 500 because the S&P 500, we are breaking below. This is the weekend. Very, very curious. I mean, data-driven market, guys. Data-driven market. It's based on what the Fed has to say, what the Fed releases for interest rates. We're on the data-driven market. We're going to keep a close eye on this on Monday when the market's open. But so far, Bitcoin has decoupled off of the S&P 500 temporarily. I will say temporarily. I don't think that it's going to be a long-term thing just yet. But maybe this could be the beginning. We're going to have to keep a close eye, guys. Keep a close eye. I do want to talk about this as well over here with this potential of replicating from the 2019 bear market into the next peak of the bull market of 2021. Guys, if we were to replicate something like that, that brings us to about $170,000 Bitcoin, guys. I think that is very, very doable. I think that's conservative, especially based on what's going on with these banks right now. And if we keep printing this money, there's no reason why we can't reach these price levels, guys. That's just my opinion. Do your own research. You know all the discrepancies, guys. But I think there's a very, very good chance that could happen. But if you guys like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now, and also please consider becoming a member. All you have to go is into the description box or go to our homepage and click join. And you click this join button right here, you get these awesome custom emojis and these custom loyalty badges. They'll be next to your name in our video comment section, as well as our live stream chat every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord where we have trading signals, NFT alpha, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, and also 10 additional entries to winning this loaded line NFT each month you are a member, guys. So many cool things with this, and I really like this one-on-one community we're building in this Discord, so please join now. It's a blast. Crypto Kip and I will love to have you. That's all I got. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye.